Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue when you are booting into Windows, or maybe you've already run a DSM scan and you're constantly getting pop-up saying that the DSM log file can be found, add, and then it gives a folder locations on your computer, and then I'll show you how to resolve that. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to repair Windows Store App. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung Windows Store App. Ayan. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. So once na-open mo na tong Windows Store Apps, so makikita mo dito yung advanced, so i-click mo lang yan. And then kailangan naka-check itong apply repairs automatically, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung next. And wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. And then once okay na siya, and then makikita mo itong dapat nating gawin. So user account control has been turned off. Okay, so kailangan natin itong enable user account control. Okay, so select mo lang dito, and then after dito sa Windows Store Apps, and then close lang natin yan. And other solution na pwede natin gawin is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung PowerShell. Ayan, and then makikita mo kaagad dito yung Windows PowerShell, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator Windows PowerShell, and then kailangan lang natin i-enter tong command keyword na to. So ilalagay ko to sa description box, so kailangan mo na lang i-copy and paste. So i-copy lang natin ito. And then, copy, and next step, so ipipaste natin dito. So dito lang sa taas, kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung edit, and then select mo lang dito yung paste, or pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut o Ctrl+B, and click mo lang yan, and then press mo lang yung enter, and wait natin na ma-complete yung kanyang processing. Ayan, so makikita muna na complete na yung processings, and then next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang yung command keyword na WS reset, ayan, and then press mo lang yung enter. Ayan, so nag-back to default na yung ating Microsoft Store with the command keyword na WS reset, okay? So makikita nyo dito na nag-refresh na tong ating Microsoft Store. Okay, so ang next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter dito ay type mo lang yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word yan, and press mo lang yung enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So dito ay kailangan ulit natin na hintay na ma-complete yung 100% na verification niya. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And then next step, so close lang natin yan at dito lang sa start menu. And kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix the same log file can be found at C drive /Windows /logs /dsum /dsum.log. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.